It's a new day, different place, and of course, a different vehicle to review. Hello and welcome to Express Drives. My name is Ronak Shah, and we are coming to you from VECV's manufacturing plant here in Pithampur. And of course, what you see here is the testing facility. Now, what we have here is the light and medium duty truck belonging to the Eicher Motors group. Of course, branded as Eicher Motors. It's the Pro 3015 light and medium duty truck. Now, before getting into the details, let me tell you why. Why are we reviewing this truck? Now, of course, with the rise of e-commerce, these trucks have been in huge demand. Now, let me give you, Eicher Motors has been market leaders with over 33.5% market share in this segment, and of course, this particular model has contributed to over 38% of market share in India. So, here are all the details you need to know on why we are bringing this to you on Express Drives. Now, in many ways, Eicher's new Pro 3015 is a value for money product and has many segment first features. It has a modern design with a Pegasus look to the face of the truck. The headlamps are integrated into the bumper and features fog lamps too. The face also gets an aerodynamic shaped double panel grille that adds to the overall appeal of the truck. Now this truck gets no nonsense, a very simple cabin with driver being the central focus. Now, of course, electronic steering goes without saying. There is no truck available in the market these days with the mechanical steering. Gone are those days, of course. And you get these blowers here. It's a nice and wide seat for the co-driver. And what you get behind here, which is missing from the competition trucks, is a sleeping berth. Now, have two drivers in here. One sleeping during the day, one during the night, and the truck's running all the time, increasing the profitability for the owner. So, which is an excellent big boost in this segment, which was missing for a very long time. The cabin is neatly laid out and very decent. The good thing is that the company has not gone overboard with its interiors and has kept it very simple. The quality of the plastics could have had been a bit more premium. Eicher Motors has given a cockpit type dashboard with a chemical resistant floor that makes cleaning and maintenance easy. Interiors also get matching panel trims, enhancing interior aesthetics. It also gets cruise control, a regular music system, and radial tires. We also had the chance to drive the truck along the company's testing track, and boy, it did surprise me. Now let me admit, driving a truck is not easy. It requires patience, accuracy and skills. The medium-duty Eicher Pro 3015 range truck that I drove had no baggage and was a fun drive. Tilt and telescopic power steering made the driving easier. As a non-regular truck driver, it takes time for you to get used to gear shifts. There's a real-time gear shift indicator that coaches the driver to attain maximum fuel efficiency. The truck is based on company's domain chassis that gets a wider frame for more stability on higher speeds. Eicher Motor says that the market size in the medium-duty truck has grown by 8% in the last 9 years, but the company has been growing at over 30%. High-rated payload of 10.35 tons and various customization options have made this product an interesting proposition for the buyers. Now, Eicher Motor claims best-in-class fuel efficiency in this 15-ton segment, and the engine of course sheds a power of about 135 horsepower and about 450 Nm of torque. The company has also added these drive modes, which comes with Eco Plus and Power mode, which depending upon the load upon the truck changes it to increase the fuel efficiency. Drive modes have helped the company to increase the fuel efficiency by about 2 to 3%. Now, after spending some time at the test track and after having shown you the full version of the truck, right now we are at the assembly unit, and as you can see, this is where the whole cabin of the truck is being assembled. Of course, there are about 22 robots around this whole assembly unit, and well, it's top class. A commercial vehicle manufacturing unit is very different from that of a regular car manufacturing unit. The assembly line, the paint shop are huge, and there are more robot arms that are used in the welding process. The company has enough capacity to cater to the current demand and can expand the capacity as and when necessary. Now this is the a 15-ton truck with a payload capacity of about 10 to 10.35 tons depending on the variants you choose. Of course, there are 3 different lengths available ranging from 19 feet, 20 feet to 24 feet and 3 variants each, giving it 8 different applications. Talking about applications, there are numerous industries which are in huge demand for these trucks. Say it e-commerce, say it couriers and goods, say it industrial applications, say it vegetable vendors. Every single person needs something like this, which is a light and medium heavy duty truck. Now, this particular model is available in 8 different variants, but overall in the light and heavy duty segment of trucks, Eicher Motors is offering over 327 variants for different applications, and if you add color scheme to it, that goes to over 500 different variants.
It was a unique and different experience to drive a truck on a company's test track and also get a chance to see each and every process of manufacturing. It was a delight to see how these modern day trucks are made, keeping the focus on the truck driver. Overall, commercial vehicle industry in India is on the rise, and leading the charge is this range of Eicher's Pro 3015 medium and heavy duty truck. That was all the time we had at this plant, but we promise to bring you more of such interesting plant visits in near future. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.